inside my tiny house. I'll show you the living room. Oh, finished. The nice pellet kachel is very nice. And we got some air conditioning as well. These ones are made with recycled wood. These ones, so it's all recycled, so that's good. And with the stairs, we can do all the little, these ones. When we go up, we still have some stuff in. Extra space, like right here on the...
Oh, that's huge. It goes all the way in.
All the way.
Wow.
Normally it used to be the bed for my daughter. So when she comes here to sleep, I put the mattress, everything inside. And when she cries, we close it. But it's still a little bit. That's one. And then we have spare another one for my climbing gear, stuff like that. When we are cooking, we're together, we can sit down here and relax. Don't need to go to a table because it's all in the kitchen. And here we make it a little bit like a fairy tale. Can in the morning make some nice coffee.
And you got even kitchen food.
Yeah, so we can, when you're cooking, or when she's cooking, she can use this one. Have a nice oven inside as well, making some cakes. When I'm lazy,
Nice.
we can do it that way. This one with a nice freezer and a nice fridge. And here we got again for your glasses, nice made of recycled wood. All again for the coffee, the tea, some cups.
And I like the handles to the fridge.
This one is nice, huh? It's all comes back with the elements, like right here, the ones upstairs. So all the woods are coming back.
Yeah.
It's my dog. It's my girlfriend's room. This one here, we go to the toilet. I have, love this mirror. We have the toilet right over here. And
It's like self-built composting toilet.
yes, you can really relax, sit down, read your Donald Duck, look outside the window there, and the wind is going through, so no smelly stuff here. Here we got a very nice shower. It's, this is my solution because it was actually, otherwise I couldn't stand under it, so we got it right through the wood. So you have
The
different-
beam.
Yes. So when you go shower, it's
You have a
perfect.
rain shower now.
Yeah, too.
And it's very spacious, like 90 to 90 or meter to meter.
90 to 90, this
90 to
one.
90.
Yeah, and this one is made of, it's actually pretty heavy, but it's made of stone. And it's actually built over its weight already, but it's I don't need to drive it behind my car. So park it, live it.
And the sink is made out of wood.
It looks like wood.
Oh, it's not.
No, it's made of stone, but it blends in perfect with the other wood. This is my upstairs with nice two windows. This one, when you lay down, you can look at the stars, and in the morning you wake up with the sun. Here we have another on the end of the bed. We have some nice wood again, same like we got downstairs.
And that's actually is extra space, very nice. You can sit where is the window.
Yes,
Makes you head
so
space.
when you go up, you don't hit the thing in the morning and get knocked down, so you wake up good. And you got more space, and it's just still under the 4 meters. This is my for the clothes. The clothes. So you can put everything nice down here.
Horizontal wardrobe.
Yeah.
And was it difficult to find a location where to place your tiny house?
In Holland it's quite difficult to find a place, but then I came with the right people at the Rainpath. They helped me, and now I got a beautiful place where I can live with really nice people, families, children. And when my daughter is here, she can really play around with other kids. It's really nice community. People live free. There is no must. Just be yourself and connect with other people when you want, and it's really perfect.
But is this private land, or it's provided by government, or how it works?
This is actually a place that was left in the city, near the city, and then people start to put on ask the government to put down the tiny houses, and they said it's alright, put it around there. And then the government really start to like it, and then they say you can leave your tiny house here, make a community, and yeah, it's a win-win. This is my fireplace and my breakfast place.
So you lived in this Skoolie for a while?
Yes.
Before you finished your tiny house?
This small one. It used to be my house for a while, till my tiny house got finished. The house is 820 by 225 and about 4 meters high. We got some stuff in the back with the heater.
I have electric water heater.
Yes.
And the fuse box and stuff.
Hot shower.
Luxury.
Yeah.
And how much at the end cost you this house?
This totally on the end with kitchen, everything complete, with heater, everything around 70,000. Yep, then it's totally complete like the way you see it now, like it's parked.